What up, everybody? Zach here again, and in this video I'm just going to show you how you can basically make your tic-tac-toe app look a little more nicer, and how you can view past games, because yesterday I got a message from somebody saying they wanted to know how you can do past games, like, see who won, when it was. I couldn't get it to show like the picture of the game, but I was able to get it to show like past games. Like if I were to do this, then I can view that past game, and then I can update it again, view past games. You can clear it, then it clears it from the file, because this is actually writing it from a file, and once it gets a win, and then reading it from this file. So now it's all gone. And then to do that, you simply add a list box from the toolbox over here. A list box, which is right here. Sorry, list box. And then you can resize that, and you can resize this to the GUI. And then you add a button for view past games and for clear past games, and then exit is what I added. And then so to do that, let's go up. You simply, like we kind of talked about in the writing to a file, you do stream writer output to name it whatever you want, like an output file. That's what I named it. And remember to include using system.io. Then in each place where it checks for a win, which is each button click, you just put in, if winner X, then it says the winner is X. But then you can put output file is equal to file.append text pastgames.txt, which is what I named the file. Output file.writeLine, X is the winner, plus date time now is pretty cool. You can do that with Visual Studio. It's the current date and time, whatever it is on the computer. And then you close the output file. Then you do that for the O. Make sure you change the O as the winner, and same date time.now.toString. And then you do that for each button. So button 2 and button 3 and so on. And then for it to actually read it, for the view past games button, you go down here, and then this is trying just to make sure it's getting it simple try-catch exception. And then you make the past game into a string, and you name stream reader, not stream writer, because we're not writing to the file, we're just reading what's in the file. And then output file is equal to file.open text pastgames.txt. And then list box 1.items.clear is just clearing all the items in the list box, so that is clear before you write or read from the file. And then while it's not the output file, whatever's in the file, the end of string, which means it's not read all the lines yet. Past game is a string, is equal to output file.readLine. So it's reading that line, whatever line's there. So if the first line is X is winner, and then current date and time 4/27/2018 at 4:27 p.m., then it'll look for that, and then output it into listbox 1.items.add past game, whatever the string is. Okay, and then output file.close, not to cause any errors. And then button 12, this button, is actually, you have to do the output file.create text past games. So it finds the past games text. Then output file.flush just, flushes all the bytes or information in there. So there's no more data in there in the file, and then you close the file. And yeah, it works pretty well. And a cool thing about it is, even if you go away for a little bit, it still saves that data. Even if I were to close out of this. So yeah, there's the, then I can go back in there and it still says the same data as before. So that's kind of cool. I hope you like that, and I hope that kind of helped a little bit. Whoever the guy who messaged me, thank you for that, giving me that idea to do. And then before I leave, here's a verse real quick. And now I am no more in the world, but these are in the world. And I come to thee, Holy Father, keep through thine own name those whom thou hast given me, that they may be one as we are. John 17:11. Thank you guys. Hope you guys have a good day. God bless y'all, and see you later.